What?
You want me to go first or do you want to go?
Shit. Let's see what happens. Oh no! No. That's so fun. No, 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 no. It didn't want to turn, dude. You need better tires for the front. Ah, well, yeah, I can tell that. You got to use the brake to turn yourself. Get her! Get her! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah. So here we are with another vlog, and we're taking a little break from the Nissan, doing a little Ford stuff. Specifically, my buddy's Ford F150. He got a blow-up engine sign, right? Is that what that means? Yeah. The engine blew up. We believe it's because of that.
Right? They circled the problem?
They circled the problem themselves. No, we got like what would you say, a evap issue or something along those lines?
Yeah, it's a code for the purge valve leaking.
Yeah, so...
Which also, every time I fill it up with gas, it always has a hard time starting.
Which sounds like it might be
which also leads to a purge
valve issue, yeah. So we're going to take a little break. We figure we've been working on this, and he's been generous enough to let me use his garage to work on this.
It's gonna take like 5 minutes to fix
So we're gonna take the whole day to fix the Ford.
We're not taking the whole day. You're nuts.
It's already nice out. This is many days after the after the go-karting thing. You guys saw the little fun we had in the snow. Mainly not a lot of vlogging happening because it's cold out. But today is actually not that bad. Yesterday was really nice. Today's not horrible. It is like foggy, cloudy,
foggy, rainy,
misty.
Correct.
But
It's better
we're
than
just
snow.
but it's better than snow, and we can actually stand outside without feeling like we're freezing to death. So we're gonna see if we can figure this out. You know, you saw what they did in 1995 with a 240 SX with the clutch line. So you know, they figured that's how deep they went in 95. So they got to go even deeper with all these lines in
I'm
2015.
just curious on like what the whole engineering aspect is behind it, because I honestly I don't know.
I'm sure it has to do with emissions. If anything, it's probably for a shit ton of emissions. Man, look at that V8. It's like we can take it out and put it in a car.
Look how much room there is for a supercharger.
Dude, no. We're not going road style.
Or pro charger.
We're not going we're going centrifugal. We're going pro charger style.
Pro charger.
Yeah, that's right. It's going to still look like a snail, but it's just going to be belt driven. Then you still get that big old V8 rumble when you put on an exhaust, but then you got a little swooly sound from the pro charger, dude. That's what we're doing.
Okay. I think those things they need brakes too. In the spring.
What, you need brakes?
I think so. I think it's gonna need.
Let's do it today.
No, we're not doing it today. We're just fixing the problem.
Why not, dude?
No, I don't want to do it today.
Oh, you love the 240 more than your truck. No, your truck's not going to be happy to hear that.
Hey, it's getting fixed today, so.
But yeah, but you just said you don't want to do the brakes on it. Your truck's very sad right now. Look at that. It's super easy to get to. Man, these modern day cars, it's like...
You know, normally stuff is a pain in the ass to get to a modern day car.
It's so true, though. It's not like this old shit.
So apparently you're not supposed to be able to blow through.
And you're able to blow through. All right, let's go get a new one. Napa?
It's supposed to hold.
AutoZone?
Yeah. Oh, I don't care.
I'm sure they got a Duralast that's a lifetime warranty.
See, look, they circled this problem too. Ford Motor Company.
Oh, yeah. They're getting the. They're just letting you know what the problem's gonna most likely be. All right, where are we going?
I don't care. I
know,
mean, they're all gonna hit the same shit.
That's true. So I guess since Napa's right down the road.
Let's go to Napa. Hopefully they have it, because normally I don't have very good luck with Napa.
All right, let's take the race car, dude.
What? Oh, that means I gotta call the insurance company.
Let's. No, that's fine. We'll take the other race car.
And there's still salt on the ground.
That's true.
This thing already has rust.
Yeah, that's true.
Your Honda's still okay.
It's got some rust underneath there.
It's got surface rust.
Yeah.
It's easy to clean up.
Listen, tell your dad to get us that shop already.
This thing has like hardcore stuff.
Listen, you got to tell your dad to watch this video, and
terrible.
then I'm gonna tell him right now. All right, I'm gonna tell him right now, sir, Dad,
Yeah, right here's man.
Dad, can you get us the shop already?
Dad, can you get us the shop?
All right, let's go get so we can work on this. Let's go get your Napa parts. All right, well, we just came back from Napa. Why don't you tell the people how much this piece of plastic was?
$50
$50, dude.
plus tax.
Hold on, let's take it out. Show them what it is for $50.
Come on.
Just a bunch of plastic
With the solenoid. That's all.
with the solenoid in it, I guess. So there's that. $50 at Napa. Although I will say, I like those jacks we saw at Napa.
Yes, those are pretty nice.
Those were pretty nice jacks. Some aluminum, some long reach steel ones. I dig it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some.
You gonna put some lube on it?
I think so.
You gonna put some lube on it? You
Oh, shit.
put some goddamn lube on it,
I should
goddamn.
put some lube on it.
So,
Steal some lube
if
from
you guys are curious for some reason,
Where
you're
am I
watching
gonna
this
go
video
over?
and you're watching this vlog and you're curious where it goes. So here's this is the 5-liter F150 2015. It's right by the throttle body right here. So, not too bad. He's gonna.
Got some lube.
Oh, he's got some lube. He's got some lube from the dipstick. That's good, man. See, you're using your noggin, dude.
That's the way.
You're using your noggin.
I don't want to tear the O-ring. Oh shit, I have a vacuum leak. Alright, slip that thingy in there.
Just a simple slide in, few bolts, and you're good to go.
2 bolts.
Shit.
2 8mm bolts.
2 8mm? There you go, man. This vlog turned out to be like a how-to on a Ford F150 Purge valve issues. That's what I'm naming it right there.
Oh, here.
That's the vlog. So we can get all the... Oh yeah, you definitely cannot blow through that. There you go. There's the test. The old one, he was able to blow through. The new one definitely can't do it.
Oh.
See? There you go. How much you think? How much you think the dealership would have charged you for this? Probably like minimum of $250.
Probably, yeah.
Minimum.
$200-300.
$100 for the part, $150 for the labor. Even though it's like maybe like a 5-minute unbolting job and, you know, a $50 part of Napa. I'm sure it's cheaper at other places.
You gotta pay the tax,
dude. You gotta
pay to hook up the scanner to
You gotta pay the dealer tax, dude.
Yep.
Thank God we like cars and working on them.
I used to be a mechanic.
Yeah, that's true.
I was not happy with
that. Mechanic life wasn't your thing.
Nope, it wasn't. I enjoy fixing cars. Just don't enjoy the corrosion.
That's right, dude.
So now you do that.
Alright, now that that's installed, let's see if the code's gone. Or if we clear it and it comes back. We'll see which one, just in case. OBD2, we just got a standard scanner in here. Let's take a look here. Where's that code? Engine check engine is right there. Let's see if it disappears. Okay, so it's still there. We'll keep that on. We'll go here. Oh, there we go. Trouble codes. So P1450 manufacturer specific powertrain trouble code. That's the code he was getting. Let's see. Data, go back. Clear codes. Press enter to clear. Function fail, codes could not be cleared. Why? Does the car have to be running? Why couldn't it clear the code? Oh, because the code's gone. Okay, so it looks like the code reader itself couldn't do the clear, but I think because when I turned it on and turned it back off, I think it automatically cleared. So now it's just gone, even though the code reader said it can't clear it. So there you go. That was the issue for that code that you just saw. Good to go. I don't know if any of you have a F150, but if you do, that's your problem. Also, he said one of the things he noticed was that when he filled up the car, or the truck, should I say, he would get this like weird, hard start, almost like it didn't want to start, or it was rough on the start, which is another indication that the purge valve is bad. So, if you have that, it's a simple fix. Don't pay the ridiculous amount of money. Just get it fixed, or get your. If you have a friend that's mechanic savvy, have them do it. Save yourself a bunch of money. Kids, I know, man.
Hey, we're recording.
Fuck. Can you give me a
What do you need?
16 maybe?
5/8? 16?
Yeah, Probably 16. Oh shit. Okay.
Is that too big?
No, it's gonna hold it in place, so I didn't wanna. Here, hold this exhaust up.
Don't we gotta take off the sway bar?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
What's it catching?
It's like this curve. We need to raise it more, unfortunately.
Towards the wheel?
I could have sworn I might have done that last time.
Because technically you took them out before. Oh. Just gotta go higher, right? You wanna go a little higher?
Yeah, a little bit. Just don't die, alright?
I'll try not
It's
to.
not worth it.
240 still gotta get done, right?
Yeah. There you go.
Hold on.
There you go.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going. There you go.
No way.
Keep moving, Anthony.
If my body's doing it.
Okay. Don't bend it. No, you shouldn't tell me to bend it. And then, like, we get stuck here because of the floor. Maybe if I go. There it is. I got it. Oh, I see. It's going to use this as a bracket. It's going to use the sway bar bolt.
Oh, you gonna peel off the other gaskets gently?
No? Do you?
Not really.
Oh, well, there you go. I guess we're both on the same boat on that one. Oh my God. Fucking A, dude. Bro, God damn it. You're lucky it's still recording.
Did that scare you?
That's YouTube. That's YouTube gold right there.
Did that scare you?
Dude, what the fuck, bro?
You thought the car fell on me or something?
Dude, come on.
You're like, no!
I don't want to bury a friend anytime soon.
Grab a gasket off.
You grab it off.
I can't reach it.
Here, let me help you. There. And falls apart.
Can I get a screwdriver? And I can try and peel this thing off?
I guess. Oh, that's pretty good. What do you think?
It's good enough for a Corvette. It's good. Yeah, it's good enough for this Corvette.
Yeah, I'm saying. Exchange for the labor, we get to go drive the shit out of it.
Well, you still got to talk to him.
He's not getting it back. Labor's expensive around here. As much as a Corvette nowadays. Perfect.
No. What
Oh.
are you doing with his car?
Fucking making brackets for an exhaust that you didn't get all the parts to.
So you guys are actually fixing it right now?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Oh yeah. That's really going.
The first time I drove it, we're good.
Tell me about it, dude. These things are amazing.
Where's the bolts and nuts?
losing my nuts.
Did you lose your nuts? Oh, you know what? There's a problem.
What?
I gotta cut this down a little bit.
What?
Because it's too long. Unless I do it from the back, but we don't want to do that.
No, we don't want to do that.
Do we know the brand of this?
What?
Is it MagnaFlow?
I don't know.
It's just straight tips, yeah. No mufflers. Muffler delete
Muffler delete.
on a C5 Corvette. Hell yeah. That's good. Yes. Sir, I need you to keep it down, all right?
Hey, man.
This is a friendly neighborhood.
And it is.
Not bad. Too bad that took way longer than it should. Just like everything else when you work on cars.